Instancy AI digital adoption platform. Healthcare teams struggle with a critical gap. They know how to use their EHR, but don't do it consistently or efficiently. Entering real workflows once, directly from your team's screen, then intelligently transforming that single source into multiple learning outputs, interactive guides, video tutorials, and microlearning that lives everywhere your team works. But here's where AI changes everything. We layer in-application performance support, step-by-step prompts that guide nurses through insurance eligibility checks in the flow of work. An agentic automation, it learns those repetitive EHR clicks and form fills, then performs them automatically. One process captured, infinite ways to learn, guide, and automate. From how do I do this to already done the result. Your clinic cuts onboarding time by 75%. Help desk tickets plummet. Staff spend less time wrestling with billing systems or prior auth portals and more time on patient care. No coding required, no complex AI setup. Just capture, generate, and deploy across LMS, mobile, Chrome, everywhere your team already works. This is how you transform digital adoption from a bottleneck into a competitive advantage. Join us in this journey. We're building the intelligence layer that makes healthcare workflows seamless. Share your feedback and help shape the future of clinical productivity. Visit instancy.ai today.